Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. We are very happy you're here today.
Hi, dear friends. Thank you so much for watching our video today.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share Mr. English Clips with friends.
Your support helps us make more simple and helpful English videos for beginners.
Today, we will practice very useful English words for daily conversations.
Yes, today's topic is how to use would, could, and should in English.
These words are small, but they are very important in real life.
Wow, yes. Native speakers use them every day in simple situations.
Please relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat the sentences with us.
Learning slowly is the best way to learn well.
Let's start with the word would.
Would is often used to sound polite, kind, and friendly.
Polite English sounds nicer and more natural.
Yes, for example, would you like some tea?
Oh, I like that sentence. It sounds warm and respectful.
If you say, do you want tea? It is okay, but less polite.
So, would you like is better for guests and strangers.
Exactly. We often use it in shops, offices, and restaurants.
Let me try. I would like a glass of water, please.
Perfect. That sentence sounds calm and polite.
I feel confident when I say it like that.
Good English makes you feel relaxed and confident.
Can we use would to talk about future ideas?
Yes, we can. Would is great for future or imaginary situations.
Really? Please give an easy example.
If I had free time, I would read English books.
Oh, that is clear. It is like talking about dreams.
Yes, about things that are not happening now.
Let me try again. If I lived in another country, I would learn English faster.
Very good. That sentence sounds natural and correct.
Viewers, you can make your own would sentence now.
Pause the video and practice speaking aloud.
Speaking aloud helps your brain remember better.
Now let's talk more about polite requests with would.
Okay, I'm listening carefully.
Would you help me with this homework?
Oh, that sounds very polite and friendly.
Yes, it is better than saying, help me.
Yes, that sounds a little rude.
Polite English helps you make good relationships.
I agree. Good words create good feelings.
Now let's move to the word could.
I hear could very often in daily English.
Yes, could is very common and very useful.
What is the main use of could?
Could is used for polite requests and asking for help.
Can you give a simple example?
Could you open the door, please?
Oh, that sounds kind and respectful.
Yes, it is perfect for talking to strangers or coworkers.
Let me try. Could you speak slowly, please?
Excellent example for English learners.
I really need that sentence sometimes.
Me too. Slow English is helpful for everyone.
Can could talk about the past?
Yes, could is also used for past ability.
Please explain slowly.
For example, when I was young, I could run very fast.
Oh, so it talks about ability in the past.
Exactly. It shows what you were able to do before.
Let me try. When I was a child, I could not speak English.
Very good and very honest.
But now I am learning.
And you are doing great.
Can we use could for giving ideas?
Yes, we can. Could is great for soft suggestions.
Please give an example.
You could practice English 10 minutes every day.
That sounds friendly, not too strong.
Yes, it gives advice without pressure.
I like that style.
Many teachers use could for gentle advice.
Viewers, you could practice with us right now.
Great idea. Practice builds confidence.
Now, let's move to the word should.
Should is used for advice and recommendations.
Advice sounds more serious.
Yes, should is stronger than could.
Can you give an easy example?
You should drink more water every day.
Oh, I hear that sentence often.
Yes, doctors, parents, and teachers use should.
Is should still polite?
Yes, but it is more direct.
Let me try. You should practice English every day.
Perfect. That is clear and helpful advice.
What about negative advice?
We can say, you should not speak too fast.
Oh, that is very useful for beginners.
Yes, slow speaking improves pronunciation.
Sometimes learners feel shy.
They should not be afraid of mistakes.
I like that sentence a lot.
Making mistakes is a normal and important part of learning English.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes when learning something new.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
That makes me feel relaxed and happy.
Good. Learning should feel safe and comfortable.
Now let's review would, could, and should again slowly.
Repeating helps our brain remember better.
Let's start again with would.
Would is used for polite offers and polite requests.
For example, would you like some coffee?
Yes, very good. That sounds kind and friendly.
I would like to learn English more confidently.
Excellent sentence. Very natural.
Would feels soft and polite.
Exactly. It is great for speaking with new people.
Can we use would at work?
Yes, very often at work and in offices.
Please give an example.
Would you like me to help you with this task?
Oh, that sounds professional and polite.
Yes, polite English creates a good impression.
Let's move to could again.
Could is perfect for polite requests and asking for help.
For example, could you explain this again, please?
That is a great sentence for students.
I use that sentence a lot.
Me too. Asking questions helps learning.
Can we use could when we feel shy?
Yes, could sounds gentle and respectful.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Perfect. Very useful sentence.
Could can also talk about past ability, right?
Yes, that is correct.
When I was younger, I could wake up early.
Very good example.
Now I wake up late sometimes.
That happens to many people.
Now let's talk more about should.
Should is used for advice and recommendations.
Advice helps people make better choices.
Yes, but it should sound kind, not angry.
You should practice English every day.
That is good advice and friendly.
You should not worry about mistakes.
Excellent advice for beginners.
Sometimes learners feel afraid to speak.
They should speak anyway and try their best.
Trying is more important than being perfect.
Exactly. Perfection is not the goal.
Let's compare them in daily situations.
Good idea. This is very helpful.
In a restaurant, I would like some rice, please.
Polite and correct.
Asking a friend, could you pass the salt, please?
Very natural.
Giving advice, you should eat slowly.
Excellent example.
Wow, now I can feel the difference clearly.
Yes, practice makes the difference clear.
Let's do more examples together.
Okay, let's continue.
Would you like to sit near the window?
Could you open the window, please?
You should close the door. It is cold.
Great daily life examples.
I would like to improve my listening skills.
You could listen to English videos every day.
You should repeat sentences out loud.
Very helpful advice.
Viewers, repeat after us slowly if you can.
Speaking aloud builds confidence.
Sometimes learners feel tired.
Then they should take a short break.
Yes, rest is also important.
Learning works better with a calm mind.
English learning is like a journey.
Yes, not a race.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
And that is completely okay.
Let's practice some feelings with these words.
That sounds interesting.
I would like to feel more confident when speaking.
You could practice with a friend.
You should believe in yourself.
Very encouraging sentences.
Encouragement helps learning grow.
Yes, kind words are powerful.
Let's practice workplace English.
Good idea for adult learners.
Would you like me to send the email now?
Polite and professional.
Could you check this message for me?
Very useful at work.
You should reply politely to customers.
Excellent advice.
Let's practice home situations now.
Okay, daily life English is very important.
Would you like dinner now or later?
Natural family English.
Could you help me clean the room?
Very polite request.
You should sleep early tonight.
Good advice for everyone.
Let's practice learning English itself.
Perfect topic.
I would like to speak English fluently.
You could practice speaking every day.
You should enjoy the learning process.
Beautiful advice.
Viewers, learning English takes time.
But every day you improve a little.
You should celebrate small progress.
You could smile when you learn a new word.
You would feel proud and motivated.
Learning should be happy.
Before we finish, let's review one last time.
Okay, final review.
Would is for polite offers and wishes.
Could is for polite requests and soft suggestions.
Should is for advice and recommendations.
Very clear summary.
Dear viewers, thank you for learning with us today.
We are very proud of your effort.
Please keep practicing English every day.
Speak slowly, kindly, and confidently.
Enjoy learning and be patient with yourself.
Thank you for supporting Mr. English Clips.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing and enjoy English.